YouTube people, so here's a great business tip from looking at Mark Zuckerberg and Facebook. So I know this is going to sound really obvious, but focus on what people really care about. It does sound obvious, but it kind of isn't. Let me explain. Facebook was not first. There was Friendster, there was Bebo, there was the big one, MySpace. Everybody had a MySpace. And what was it like on these platforms? You made your profile, you put up little images, you customized it, you made it your own. It was essentially a page for you, and it focused on you as the individual, and it was kind of cool and it worked well for a while. Super customizable to some extent. They focused on looking cool, personalization. They're focusing on you and your interests. Wouldn't think that would be a bad thing to focus on, but it turns out that was not the right place to put your cards, because what did Facebook do? Well, they focused on one thing we all obsess over: relationships. Who is dating who? That is literally why it was built. So people in college could figure out who was single and who was not single, figure out what classes they have, what they were studying, who their friends were. It was designed for some casual stalking. And then later on, the wall was developed, which was put into the other social media platforms later on as they copied Facebook. But Facebook brought in this wall, which then allowed us to focus on the relationships of our friends and what was going on in their lives. We could see all the gossip, what they did on the weekend. It allowed us to connect with them, even if we weren't there. And taking a page from Google, they kept that interface super simple. It was the same for everybody. Everybody basically had the same page, and the news feed, the wall, was the same for everyone. This then doubles down their effectiveness on focusing on relationships, gossip, life events, who is dating who. This casual stalking takes center stage, because it turns out we really care more about looking into other people's lives than presenting ourselves on a page. That was what Facebook did. That is why they won. What's the one thing that people really care about in your business? And are you focusing on that? It may not be the thing on the surface, and it may not be obvious. So have a look and make sure you are focusing in the right area. Subscribe for more marketing tips and have a fabulous day. Ethan out.